Welcome back to Copperhead Ridge. Today I will be walking around and showing you, we had a storm come in yesterday afternoon and it took out our goat fence and some of our rat pens. I will be showing you all the damage from that storm yesterday. Alright. We had some tree limbs coming down. And this branch here fell down and took out the goat fence. Took it all down, and we had to put this fence up for temporary for right now to keep the goats in. We will have to come back and fix all this. But that big branch up there is what fell, and it missed this goat barn. But this is all the branches that we had to take off the fence. And then oops. And here's some more of the tree branches that came down. And it fell into this pen and it hit the side of that shelter that the goats have. Now over here was the rabbit pens. There was rabbit pens that sat right here, and the storm took them out. It missed the chicken coop. There's some boards from the rabbit cages. It also took these two rabbit cages out. We re-put them back up last night, and all the rabbits survived. We had one rabbit that fell out of this cage right here. She fell over in this box, but she's fine. She made it through. And then we had two cages that we had to cut the legs off of that we had to move. We had these two cages that blew over that we had to cut the legs off of, which is our buck pen. We will, when my husband gets home tonight, we'll put legs back on it and move them back out there. They hit the grunt fell. And then we had this pen with our does that have babies that fell over, but they did survive the fall. We didn't lose any of them. Their babies are all okay and in their boxes. So, but we will get those put back up tonight, and then we will work on getting the goat pen back up where it needs to go. Thank you for coming and watching and supporting us. Come back and watch our next video. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye.